Hi, this is Brandy, and today I'm going to be touring my bar cart with you. So I'm just going to jump right into it so I have time to explain everything that's on the bar cart. So we will start at the top. The first thing that I'm going to tell you about is the stainless steel, and it's really real stainless steel. As you can tell, all the marks and stuff, I still need to clean it off. But I purchased that from the Goodwill for like less than $5. I also purchased this 4-piece set from the Goodwill. It was not used. It was still in the box. I think it might have been from Pier 1 or something to that effect. But it's 4 separate shakers with the, each of them have a saying on it. This one says drink, salud, cheers, and toast. And I will be honest, this was a holiday set, but these sayings and these shakers are pretty much universal, and you could use them all year round. The next thing is this little floral arrangement, because I put that there because there are white flowers. So I made this with some flowers from the Dollar Tree. This little square glass container came from the Goodwill, and the little glass rocks in there came from the Dollar Tree. And of course, if you can't tell by now, my theme is lemons for the summer. So I just have this little carafe shaped glass that I purchased from the Goodwill. And it's filled with faux lemons from Hobby Lobby. Next thing is this bar caddy, and it has like a bottle opener, wine bottle opener, strainer, tongs. I'm assuming this is like a drink stir, a pick, and measurements. So I don't even remember. I had that thing for probably over 10 years now, but it's still holding up, and I love it. Next thing are these 2 hand towels or kitchen towels that I purchased from the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece, and I have 2 of those there. So we will drop down to the second shelf now, and the second shelf consists of some of the smaller salad plates from the Dollar Tree, so you can see those. And I do have some of the bowls from that same lemon collection from the Dollar Tree, and it's also filled with faux lemons from Hobby Lobby. I took an old jar that had some peppers or jalapenos or something in it, and I just put a chalk label on it and used a chalk marker and wrote "suck it up," which is appropriate for straws. I have this napkin holder that I purchased from the Dollar Tree back there. The napkins actually came from IKEA. Then I have 6 of the lemon glasses from the Dollar Tree. So that is it for this shelf. The next shelf, I just have some drink items, and this one is subject to change as I'm still waiting on some more of my Torani syrups to come in. And the syrups will be for my iced tea and lemonade bar, and I'll probably be filming that shortly for you guys. This is just a pineapple that was like a teal color. I found it on clearance, I think like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I spray painted it white. Then I just have a 6-pack of the San Pellegrino Limonada, of course for the lemon theme. I have my Torani syrups. I have cherry, raspberry, and peach back there. Like I said, I'm waiting on about 9 more bottles to come. I have a plastic bowl with more of the faux lemons from Hobby Lobby. And then I have a couple bottles of water, which I would add more, but like I said, I'm waiting for more syrups. So the whole thing will change possibly once everything else comes in. So let me give you another quick overview of my bar cart from the top. So again, and I'm not sure if I told you this, actually this cake stand that I used to give it some height came from the Goodwill as well. And that's pretty much it for my bar cart. So I will step back a few. And thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day or night.